We are hearing from the two Houston doctors who are part of a lawsuit against the state over its abortion law. Earlier this week, we heard from a group of women who are also suing after suffering complications during their pregnancies. They say they could not get the care they needed in Texas. Tonight, the doctors are telling our Janelle Beluda they need more clarity about what they can and cannot do. Janelle?
Well, these doctors say the abortion law is vague and say it's created a lot of fear and confusion. So they're hoping this lawsuit can give them some answers. With over 60 years of experience between them,
there's so much confusion about what you can and cannot say.
Dr. Damla Carson and Dr. Judy Levison, both physicians in obstetrics and gynecology,
at the end of the day, I have to do the right thing.
Say since the enacting of SB 8 and the overturning of Roe v. Wade, life as a doctor hasn't been easy.
You know, SB 8 talks about aiding and abetting. You know, what is aiding and abetting?
Dr. Levison even decided to partially retire.
I suddenly realized, oh my gosh, I can't practice medicine the way I was trained to.
The current Texas law prohibits and criminalizes abortion with only one exception: if the mother's life is in danger.
I mean, you almost have to bring the woman to where her life's in danger so then you can say her life's in danger. And because who's going to protect you, right? If you get arrested, if you get sued, if you get, fined, yeah.
They say that's where the confusion lies.
You mentioned the possibility of life imprisonment, and you're going to think twice.
But they say pregnancy care is not a one-size-fits-all approach.
We're talking so often here about women with wanted pregnancies who never, ever imagined that they would be begging for an abortion.
And say sometimes abortion is medically necessary.
I think that's what the public is missing, that wanted pregnancies may need to be ended to save a woman's life.
So these doctors say they need more clarity, which is what they're asking for in this lawsuit. And they're hoping lawmakers,
they need to think about if this were your wife, your daughter, your sister,
will hear them.
I think they should allow those of us that have dedicated our lives to taking care of patients to take care of our patients.
We reached out to the defendants in this lawsuit earlier this week and again today. So far, Attorney General Ken Paxton's office has responded, saying in part he is committed to protecting families and enforcing the laws. We'll put his full statement on our website, KHOU.com.